Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is a list, set and a map in a Java. So first we discuss about list. So the Java collection interface sub-interface called is the list interface. It offers index-based way to add, update, remove and search for elements. Duplicate elements are also possible and the null entries can also keep it in the list. List enable position access the insertion of the element while maintaining the insertion order. It was located in the package java.util. For the better understanding, it look at the illustration where you can see how to add element in the Java using the list interface. So in a list, the element can the duplicate in the list interface. The list prevails the order of illusion and quality of null value can be added. Linked list and array list are classes used for a list implementation. The list has a get method that allows to retrieve an entry by the index. Second one is a what the set. So the set is a present in a Java and used an unordered approach. Java collection interface enhanced with the util package. It is the set duplicate item will not be print in output and will not be taken into account. For better understanding, let's took the example uh, interface in a Java. Set is an interface. So set is a duplicate element are not permitted in the set. In a set, there is a instruction order maintained by the set, but there is a only really one null value in the set. The class used to implement set include hash set, linked hash set, and a tree set. The element at the given index cannot be retrieved from a set using a get method. So third one is a map. So what is map? The Java map or a Java util.map is a Java interface. A key and value is mapped by the term of map. A Java map able to hold a pair key value in more detail. In individual value connected to the each key and the value can later retrieve using the only key after being solved the map. For better understanding, in the Java used by the map interface. So map is a duplicate element are not allowed in the map. Furthermore, there is no instruction order maintained by the map. Null value can be present in the any number and up to one null key in the map. Hash map, hash table, current hash map, linked hash map, and the different implementation classes. The map provide not a no get method retrieve in the element at the certain index. These are the information about the collection map, set and in set and a list. Thank you so much.